I'm sitting in an 06 Infiniti FX35. We're going to be adding a Prox remote. It was lost before and then they found one, so I have one existing one here. And then I have this one that they found does not work anymore. So we're going to do the E key first, and then we're going to do the proximity part of the key. So we're going to go ahead, take the E keys out of the fobs. Okay. And we're going to start with our, we already have one that's programmed here. It'll click when it goes in. There it goes. We turn it on. Go to Infiniti.
Hate being Zoom teachers.
Yeah, absolutely.
2006. Like I said, we're doing the E key. Twist Prox. Program key. The slot. Off. We're going to use the old pin code. Heard a click. We're going to hit OK. 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 Now we're going to turn the key on, and the security light will flash 5 times. Okay.
With a 3%.
Take the key out. Take the next key. Put it in the switch. Turn it on. I can see the light flashing 5 times on the dashboard. Take it out. And then we'll put the first one back in. Turn it back on. To off, and that closes the cycle. That's it. The E key part has now been completed. Now this is the key that they lost. And I can hear the solenoid retract, so I know it's good. That's the first one. Perfect. So now we're going to program the smart key in. We're going to turn the E key to on. We'll hit back. We're going to go to smart remote number 3. And we have one that works already and one that doesn't. We're just going to add this one in. Program remote. Okay, we're going to hold 2 buttons down. Let go. Press the other button. And sometimes you notice that the door locks won't cycle, so you just got to keep trying until the procedure works. We'll try it again. Nope. One, two, 1, 2. There we go. Door lock work. At this point, everything has been completed. We don't have to do anything else. We'll take the key, turn it off. There's our Prox remote right here. Lock and unlock. Lock and unlock. And we are done.